This 2-minute tech tip is actually going to probably be about 3 minutes, but it's going to show you a really useful strategy for how to deal with restricted assignments or activities and how to use the mark as done checkbox to keep track of what you're working on. So even though this says introduction to the internet up here, this is actually applies to any class. So let's scroll down to this first week. And we'll start with the restricted block first. So you might notice this says restricted, like you can't click into it. There's no way to get in. However, if you hover over it, or if you're on mobile, I think if you tap it, if you tap the restricted block, you should see something like this that tells you what you need to do to remove the restriction. So in this case, it says not available, whoops, unless the activity, what's this class all about anyhow video is marked complete. The activity Meet Your Professor video is marked complete, and the activity How to Navigate the Syllabus video is marked complete. So once you do those three things, this block will open up, which will be useful because on this particular one, it's your first week's assignment. So where do you find all those things? Those are all in the important information block because it's all important information. So once you watch the video, so what's this class all about anyhow? You're going to click that, watch the video, and then check off the checkbox or the check circle. It says click to toggle completion status. That's your completion circle. Now, can you cheat and just check it off anyhow? Well, yeah, sure, you can cheat and just check it off anyhow. But I don't recommend that. I don't see the circles. The circles are to help you keep track of what you've looked at and what you finished. I don't see those at all. So it's strictly for you. So there's what's this class all about? It says, oh, here's one about contacting the professor. You don't have to check that one off, but I'll do it anyhow. Here's the Meet Your Professor video. You watch the video, check it off, and then come down here, How to Navigate the Syllabus video. This particular one will give you a really good tip on using the document outline. It works for all kinds of Google Docs, but this will show you how to get to different sections of the syllabus really quickly and easily. I've checked all those off. Let's come back here, scroll back up, and look, this is unrestricted now. So I can click into the week 1 tile, and you'll notice when you first come here, this won't be checked off, right? Because you haven't watched it yet. And all the other assignments are restricted. But again, hover over the restriction and it says not available unless you watch the Unlock Success video. So if I click in there, there's a video that I made. It's pretty short. Here's the Cliff Notes version, the really kind of short version. And then it says same thing, mark is done or check the checkbox off once you've finished watching it. So I'm going to check the circle, come back here, and all the other assignments are available. And when I finish them, I'm going to check them off and I'll show you why. Let me come down here and get all of them. Once I know that I've done all the requirements, I've read the assignment, I've done all the things, I've submitted all the stuff. When I come out here, you'll notice over here, it'll say like 4 out of 7 or 1 out of 27. That's because there's a lot of help desk videos. So that might help you keep track. But that will also help you keep track that I do all the things. So remember to have something come off of restriction, hover over it or tap on it, find out what the restriction requirements are, do the thing, and then that will open up the resource. And then again, you can check the check boxes to help you keep track of what assignments you're doing, what resources you've looked at, what activities you've completed. These two things will help you navigate through the class.